Good morning, my lovely students. This is a new theme or a new chapter about all animals or all types of animals, the animal's environment. But in the first lesson in this theme is about the wild or domestic animals. Wild or domestic animals. As we said before, there are two kinds of plants, if you remind that. Cultivated plants and wild plants also. Cultivated are the plants that need human to grow, while the wild plants don't need humans to grow. Also, wild animals don't need human to survive. They do not need man to survive. They can live alone in the forest, in the nature, in the jungle, while domestic animals can be raised at homes, or can we take care of them? For example, most of you have dogs, cats, rabbits, turtle, okay? Birds also. Some birds can be considered as wild, other birds can be considered as domestic. But in general, birds can live alone, can survive alone. So, wild animals don't need human to survive, while domestic animals need. Let me please first start reading this paragraph. The horse, the cat, the hen are domestic animals. They are domestic. While the fox, the wolf, and the eagle are wild animals. So, in the living world, animals are classified into two groups, wild and domestic. What is a wild animal and what is a domestic animal? In order to find the answer, we are going to look or observe the activity below about wild and domestic animals. As you see, in each activity, I have an animation about this animal. I have an animation. For example, let's start with the butterfly. Please, you have only observe what are the characteristics or properties done by the butterfly which lives in nature. Let's start observing. Look at the colorful butterflies. Look at the butterflies, how are they colorful? Of course, as we know that the butterfly is an insect. It sucks or absorbs the nectar of a flower. They can fly by using their wings and suck the nectar using their proboscis. Proboscis are like a tongue which elongates it in order to suck the nectar of the flower to make honey. So, as shown in the video, the butterfly is a wild animal. It can survive alone. It doesn't need man or a human to survive. And it sucks the nectar of the flowers. Let's now move to another one, which is the cat. Look at the cat. How does it behave? Of course, as you know, that the cat is a domestic animal. You can't feed the cat. Look at Ali Harib. He has a cat also. Okay, teacher, now we are going to move into a new animal, which is the snake. Look at the snake. Where does it live and how does it behave? As you know, that the snake, of course, is a wild animal. We can't raise a snake at home. So, it is a wild animal and it can catch or capture other animals such as rabbits, cats, lizards. It eats different types of animals and it can live in warm places and hot places. Let's continue. As we know also, the snake has a body cover made of scales. Let's move now to another one. So, let's move now to the ladybird. Okay, this is the ladybird. The ladybird, of course, it is an insect of different wings or of two wings. The ladybug or ladybird feeds on aphids. Aphids are very small insects also, invertebrates. It has no bones. Look how do they follow it. Look, 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 look. Look at this attack. It can fly very fast. So this is all about the three different animals today: the ladybird, the snake, and the cat. Also the butterfly. Let's continue later.